He just b-hops and like doesn't take it seriously. And he just talks a lot. Is this live? Oh, knife round. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's not knife each other.
Yeah, that's team damage.
Yeah, team damage.
Oh.
Okay.
I don't think I've seen Fino like actually bunny hop.
One's right click. My right click's dead.
Oh, wait, yo, chill. I'm on your team.
We're winning it. It's okay.
He's just doing the whirlwind attack. If it's Zazo, he's AFK. Oh, he's in spawn. He's in spawn.
Guys, you just all need to ambush him. Okay, you're not a right click. So. Oh.
Ah! I only hit him once. With a left click.
Go together. Don't separate.
Oh,
Go together. Push them together.
But definitely don't stab each other too.
Oh, we
no.
lost.
Oh no.
Okay.
No, blue has full health.
Oh no!
Oh!
Oh my god. Oh my.
No one left alive, bro. No survivors.
Jeez, dude, you almost lost that for us. Alright,
I
Bob.
like how I even said, be careful guys, there's team damage still kills 2 teammates.
Alright, I'll play B. Won't play B with me.
I'll get Ivy.
Play a default bomb train.
Alright, someone go B with me.
I don't know any of the train calls, so it's gonna be really shitty.
I'll try to not die.
I'm colorblind, dude. I'm just kidding. I'm not. But
That doesn't make any sense. Except for the train, yeah, that's funny.
yeah, because they call the trains colors, right?
Oh, they're bound to screw up at
Who's
some
gonna play
point.
B with me?
Don't forget that.
I can play
I'll
with you.
be.
Be careful, Sid's insane on this map.
Nothing T-con.
Go push, they're B.
Yeah, they're down
It's
there.
already pushed out. Throwing grenade. It's already about right.
Bomb train, yeah.
Evan upper.
Wait, this might. They are planning?
Yeah, they're planning.
Holy shit.
Careful, Sid. That's
What's on top of this train?
Mid bomb dead.
Lower.
Oh, behind.
sidewalk.
Wow.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice, actually.
He's just gonna play the bomb.
Nice try.
It's okay, good try.
Yep. Alright, just full save, full save. Boopers can buy an op next round.
You guys going for an Ivy push?
No, just play sites.
Push, push, push!
Play super passive, we both just start if everyone just starts shooting at one person,
Nothing
Wait.
T-con.
they just flash out lower.
They just
Oh
flashed
wait,
out
here,
T-con.
I hear some at T-con.
Outladder, outladder.
Yeah.
Careful, I think he's like Sandwich and Olaf. Oh, E-box, E-box.
Yeah, they're E-box.
Right behind you, Nokia.
Ivy, Ivy, Ivy.
Hey, can you boost me on the thing?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
They have a shotgun. That's 1800, don't die to the shotgun. Nice.
One more on the left of the bomb. Nice try.
Oh no, he's rich.
Yeah, he's rich.
Oh, money.
They got 3600. He got 3600 from that alone. Got 6k that round.
Don't worry, he's just gonna give the out to Zazo, and Zazo's gonna lose it to us, so it's fine.
Let's buy here. You waste.
Yeah, we can buy.
Let's play passive side.
Ivy with me because Geds is lurking.
Actually, I mean, after this round, have someone always like push pop dog from. Always push pop dog.
I see some T-con.
One pop.
Top, yeah.
Top of blue train.
Great. They have a top. Boopers.
This guy's learning smokes. Like, hello? Oh, that was a bomb train. still has the auto shotty.
I mean, yeah, they can bank, dude. I'm gonna take my spot at B.
I can take it.
I'm gonna be this one. I'm gonna play aggressive.
Smoke and smoke T-con.
I can throw a smoke towards T-con.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm dying.
I just need someone to throw out.
Laying down smokes.
Deploying smoke shield.
Here, let me go and pop. Let me go.
Okay, okay.
Have a shotty. Up.
One's T-con.
Ladder. One's above ladder. Yep.
I'm pushing Ivy.
I hear some. One's Olaf.
One upper.
Yeah.
Olaf.
Hold on, I'm T stairs.
One more pop.
Yep, there's one T-con still.
Yeah, they're going A.
What? Okay, push this big range. Come on.
First good. For one battle.
I got
I'm not warmed up, dude.
I'm going.
Hold on, I'm gonna smoke this.
Smoking.
One pop.
One E-box, behind E-box. Last one, old bomb.
Oh, fucking, I saw him too late.
Alright, we can ban it.
Alright, are you going D again, Bloom, or?
No, I'm gonna push pop this round.
Okay, I'm gonna go B then.
Time to move.
You can go A. Or at least play B.
Go.
Flash up, one.
They already
E-box.
pushed E-box.
Grenade out.
One pop, dead. One's top blue.
I.
I'm going around
Blue.
T.
Top
One's
blue.
Olaf. Oh, sandwich, dead. Sandwich dead.
Oh god.
Bapper's got back Ivy's
Oh,
CT.
is that bomb?
Sandwich.
Yeah,
Oh
sandwich.
fuck, I'm dead.
Deploying flashbang.
Ivy.
Top blue?
Top-
He dropped, he
Olaf,
dropped.
Olaf.
Yeah.
I don't even know where I died from.
I think he might have been hell. Yeah, one's Olaf still. Top red.
Flashes.
Playing
Planting.
back the site. Nice. Last one's on bomb. Oh, there's two. I'm sorry. There's two. My bad.
Yeah. Sorry.
And T.
Just force it again. We just can't let them get out. Yeah, we just can't let them get out T-con. That's what they're struggling with. I'll just molly it early,
Just force stack it. Force stack it.
and then whoever's on B play really passive. Like bots.
Smoke. Flashbang.
I'm sorry. My
Oh, fuck.
screen's messed
That's
up.
stupid.
They're out T-con already.
I'm hell.
Let's get one close sandwich.
I think one's Olaf.
They're going out T-con right now.
One's tanked Ivy. Nice one.
Nice.
I'm pushing bomb site.
They have two ops. One's T-con, one's out. Olaf. One pop.
Oh my god.
Ivy,
Box Ivy.
last.
Oh.
They have two box with op. Man, they have two ops, dude. It's so stupid.
So what do we have to do? Flash over towards Decon?
Nate stack decon question?
I honestly don't play train, so
I wanted to play overpass.
Nate stack decon?
Yeah.
Let's go earn our pay.
Just nade
Throwing
stacking push.
smoke. Grenade out. Fire in the
Fire in the
hole.
hole. Grenade out.
Grenade out.
one's back.
Another in ladder.
Ladder dead.
Nice.
One more T-con, one back T-con.
I think it's just one lurking. Ivy.
Okay.
Ivy.
One's pushing green. One's pushing T-con.
Ivy.
He's in showers. Go B.
There's an AK.
Yes,
There's
I
an
see.
AK in ladder. Yeah. If you want to grab it.
Man, you're making so much noise.
Shit.
Don't worry.
He
You
is
got this.
pops.
2v1. He's
Oil,
oil.
oil,
He's
oil.
oil.
Here, I need you to jump up and push him.
Can I flash? You want me to flash?
No, just jump over and push him.
Okay.
Nice.
Nice, good job, guys.
Should probably grab that op too. You can do a 2-op setup. Just drop the op on the bomb. Oh, and that's fine too.
Let's go.
Run.
Careful,
Good
there's team
round.
damage.
Good round.
Just a flashback.
I'm gonna get an M4, but can I get that out?
Yeah. Is that you?
So I guess Ged's always pushes
He
Ivy.
works Ivy a lot.
Whoever's going A, nade stack T-con with me again.
Okay.
Or I'm gonna force stack it, just whoever's playing A. Just throw a nade near it. Just to push them back a bit.
Grenade out.
Grenade out.
Incendiary out.
Laying down smoke.
See a lot.
Throwing
Okay,
grenade.
okay, I'm rotating.
What the fuck?
Push out,
Incendiary.
one pushed out, they're pushed out already.
Fucking Geds, you lurk.
Alright,
Throwing fire.
nice.
Upper.
Upper dead.
Is last one planted
Nice.
then? Left, yeah, left side. Nice
Nice, dude,
job.
let's go.
Nice, good job, guys.
AK is down, I just dropped one. On bomb.
8 seconds.
AK on bomb.
I'll run and get it.
Yeah, the M4 should grab it.
I have 2 ops. Are we gonna have 2 ops then?
Yeah, we can do an op A,
Yeah.
op A, op
I
B.
just want to make sure.
Somebody to hold, like, low if they do that shit again.
Oh, don't push. You have an
Who
op,
wants
don't
the
play
op?
by yourself.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Get, Bappers.
I'll play B with you this round.
There's 2 ops inside then.
You don't need to off speed.
No, that's why I said don't play B. I said don't play B.
Flash is out, Hector.
Incendiary.
What the fuck is happening with my mouse?
One's a
Like, I
wall.
try to hold down a grenade and it just releases it on.
One Ivy, one Ivy.
They flash me, I'm full blind, they can be pushing.
You can rotate green.
Deploying the flame shield.
Nice.
Grenade out.
Sid was Ivy, Sid's Ivy.
Throwing fire.
I'm flashing into it.
Incendiary out.
Throwing flashbang.
I'm blind.
Is Ivy clear?
No.
Olaf.
Smoking.
He's
Nice
spawn
place,
down,
nice
bomb down.
place.
Last was Ivy, last
I'm helping Ivy.
Okay.
He's not
Could be close,
close.
could be close on me, could be
Nice
Good
job,
job, guys.
Good round. I didn't even know the other guys died. Did they all come at the same time?
Yeah, they all died pretty much.
Good shit.
They had alert B.
Was it Geds?
No. Bro, Wyatt.
I killed Feno at Ivy. I'll molly...
Come on, y'all. Let's do this.
I'll molly
Dude, as much as Feno like B hops, I don't think I've ever seen him hit like a sick B hop type.
Incendiary out. Throwing grenade.
Deploying smoke shield.
Incendiary.
Not out T-con.
The B, but they're on pistols.
Okay.
Yeah. They're pushing B.
Fire in the hole.
I'm coming from CT. Hold them off if you can.
They
Just
still
stay
Help,
alive.
I need help.
One's upper, he has an AK.
Okay, I'm coming upper.
Oh, yeah, upper. 2 upper. Fucking shit. Got me with the 1D.
They have pistols. One is probably has an op now.
Yeah.
sidewalk.
Damn.
Let's try.
Oh, we have a lot of money. Sick. Caps, you want an up? I just shot you an up.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Time to move.
Well,
Game name is backwards.
I haven't played CS since I thought the op was in the M4 location, so I thought that.
T-con, one side electric.
E-box 1, E-box 1.
Mauling your pop. Nice.
One dead E-box. Another
Two T-con,
T-con.
T-con.
I'm just gonna molly him.
Ivy out.
Grenade out.
There's two T-con. One might be live. Nope, this one more right.
Was that guy? Where was that guy?
Here's in T-con. I'm getting on top of blue. Nice.
Go into flank.
Is there
T-con.
another? Or just the one?
Bombs down T-con. Bombs down T-con.
Go into flank.
Nice,
Do we need
good
an
job,
up?
guys.
Do we need up? Do we need up? Oh, never mind. We do not need. We do not
Pushing
need
top
up.
this round.
I think 2 should be fine on train.
We are ready to do this.
Can you flash me, Ivy?
Yeah, I can flash for you.
Deploying smoke shield.
One flash out.
Throwing
T-con.
grenade.
Flashing.
Throwing flashbang.
A lot of flashes out, eh? Oh,
Nothing, nothing. Nice bat.
hold on.
I see his feet, Olaf.
Yeah, there's 2.
I'm flanking T-con right now.
Throwing a grenade.
What is that? The fuck?
Throwing fire.
One more T-con. One more
Yeah.
T-con. I'm behind
He's
them
like-
now. Nice.
Nice, okay.
In the fire, or is it you?
Oh wait, wait. What? Okay.
They were on a save that round.
There we go. Bapper's starting to warm up.
Let's go. Let's go, brother.
My map, bro.
Let's move.
Pushing top again.
I don't have a nade, fuck.
I'm molly, no kills.
Incendiary out.
Trying the same thing, I think. Pushing showers, pushing showers. Oh,
Nice.
I bomb.
Oh, one Ivy.
Nice, nice, nice. Here, let me in.
Carry me, I'm below HP.
Okay.
Deploying flashbang.
T-con. Bomb Ivy.
He's on the left. He's on the left.
Grenade out.
I'm gonna molly it.
T-con.
I killed one in
Ivy dead.
fuck. He E-box. Wait.
T-con.
Oh, fucking.
Wait, is he still E-box? Wait,
might be
what?
my op.
I'm not peeking. I don't know where he is.
He's close to your, it's your close right.
Like hell.
Throwing flashbang.
No, I'm in, Jordan's.
Okay.
He's near bomb train, basically.
Throwing smoke.
It's gonna be back CT. Never mind.
Jordan has bomb.
Okay.
This is A's though. He's gonna push this smoke or Jordan.
I'm afraid he's like.
He might be flanking from.
Yeah, he could.
Yeah,
could
I
wrap
think
up
He
right
might be coming
is.
back down ladder.
now. Okay,
'Cause
watching her.
I just walked through sight.
Yeah,
My god, that scared me.
You know, right?
Half health, by the way.
Time,
Oh. No, I don't think he's got it.
Oh,
No way.
Oh, nice try.
Drop someone, I have 16k. Here's.
is that one the drop?
Can you throw that first?
Oh, sorry.
Wait, that's literally, we're just literally playing.
Like, the opposite direction, boy.
Lost.
Push upper. Whoever's going B, can you flash that ramp?
I have no
I got it. I'll just throw
Yeah.
it.
You gotta throw it at the ramp and make it bounce up. Throw it out.
Flashbang out.
I hear some.
Yeah,
Oh,
ladder.
pop.
Throwing smoke.
There was one pop. I fucked him up. I think he's
They-
backing
they
off
have-
though.
They're pushing shower.
Okay.
Incendiary out.
Both showers at least. They're upper, one upper.
Okay.
Out.
He's dead. I'm dead. I mean, I'm blind. Walkway.
Yup. T-con.
I'm gonna need it.
Grenade out.
He's out. All the way back.
Nice.
Okay.
Those
that-
up.
Is there someone still there?
No,
Throwing a Molotov.
I'm just saying Zazo has not.
Oh, okay.
Throwing fire.
I'm gonna molly upper.
Incendiary out.
Watching your sidewalk.
Yeah, one's upper.
Oh my god, he has a deagle.
Throwing fire.
See, my fucking mouse doesn't want to hold grenades.
That was lower, yeah. Yep, they're
Which
coming
tower?
A.
They smoked out lower.
They haven't come out yet.
Throwing flashbang.
They still haven't come out.
I'm trying to play passive A.
There might be one sitting top. Upper.
They've got 15 seconds.
Out, ladder.
Okay.
You just doubled it.
I don't think they've got it.
Flashbang out.
I don't think they didn't play it yet. Oh, what?
Ah.
Sandwich.
Oh my god.
No way.
Nice work.
I'm working on it.
Unlucky.
Imagine not using your scope.
Not rounds buyout. You know, whatever. Can I have that? Thank you. I'm gonna peek aggressive upper.
Come on, let's go.
Actually, never mind.
Throwing flashbang.
Throwing flashbang. Incendiary.
Mad flashes outside.
Grenade
Throwing
out.
flashbang.
Smoking top.
Throwing smoke.
Incendiary out.
Throwing
out.
Yeah, out you going like
Electric. Nice.
Ladder dead. Or E-box, I mean.
T-con dead.
Nice.
Throwing flashbang.
Run boost? Okay.
He's just doing, I don't know.
Oh, he's on the fucking dumpster. Okay.
Does he have bomb then?
No, he has to cross T-con.
Oh, bomb's in T-con on the left side. I'll watch Ivy.
Watch pop. Boop, can you watch pop?
Shit.
Yeah, Deacon. Alright, we're just gonna rush out A. Just don't buy anything. Rush out A.
Okay.
I don't care how you go out A, just go to A.
I'm gonna flash out. Let's go, boys. Let's go.
Throwing flashbang. Flashbang out.
That's it. Z.
Good trade.
One's dead.
Old bomb and Z. I'm getting bombed down. Cover me.
On my way to plant the bomb.
I wouldn't.
Careful. Oh, yeah, old bomb is dead.
One more CT. Nice. There's one back CT still, right?
What the fuck?
Old bomb.
I mean, I'll take the cash though.
I wish that was.
Yeah, he's Ivy. Hold on. There's 2 left, right? Oh, no, it's just 1. Nice job.
I wish that was Zazo you did that on.
Alright, so buy SMGs and just go up B. We're gonna keep doing that until we lose a round.
Just fast speed. Okay.
Yeah.
Any util? Just smoke
yeah.
down ramp.
I thought
We
it was
just-
smoke. Or
Where?
whoever.
Like down lower ramp, right?
Yeah. Or upper. You can go either one.
I'll watch the fast ladder thing at first.
Oh, I hear one in ladder.
No.
Okay.
One's walkway.
Nice. Cool.
Oh, upper.
Going up in front.
Careful back
He's
hole.
so hurt.
Upper dead. One still have
Okay.
One's by Z, I think.
Oil.
Oil.
I'm mauling it. Nice.
He's dead.
I'm just standing. Yeah, he's probably bathrooms to up.
Wait, what? I thought he was over here, wasn't he?
Oh, he's lower.
Oh,
He's
no.
on bomb.
Confusing.
He's off. Nice, good job. Good run.
I got scared there for a second.
Alright.
Wait, did I have him on?
Keep going.
Okay, listen. Yeah, I probably should have.
Keep the SMGs going.
Oh, we're just gonna keep SMG in?
Yeah, until we lose a round.
We got it.
Or if we do it 2 rounds.
I'm gonna flash over mid just to fuck with him.
Flashbang.
Put a flash down this.
Flashbang
You don't have
out.
to turn around. I know, man. Pushing up. Run out.
Oh my god, we just like run boosted.
Deploying smoke
Fine,
shield.
direct, forward. Put it. Get
Nice,
down,
nice.
down.
I'm coming.
One's out. 2 out and 1.
I'm going to plant this thing.
Careful flank on ladder. Nice clean.
Shit.
Jesus, dude. I'm not the exact teammates all game.
Not C.
His aimbot doesn't know which.
Bullets all out.
Nice. Last time,
It was
no.
last team backside. I'm just gonna save whatever gun he has. I thought he had a CZ though.
I found a CZ on the ground.
You may have a deagle.
Run. He's gotta be right here.
Oh no, I'm gonna die.
So close.
Oh, please. God. Oh, I lived.
Okay,
Oh,
I got
nice.
him.
Good job.
He was he just ran into CT.
You guys want to do it one more time, or do you want to pull by A? Or just go A?
Get rushed.
I'm rocking with the UMP.
Let's just flood out ladder and go pop. Walk as soon as you get near ladder. Like walk up here, yeah.
With this early useful for A, we have
Oh,
they saw-
one's
they saw
upper.
me upper. Yep, just flood
They
down.
saw me. I think they saw me as well.
Smoking.
Nice swim. Let's go, boys.
They're full back, they full back.
Back to
Oh, I'm
Z.
full line.
Super fucking
Nice
blind.
guys.
I'm gonna molly Z.
Hold
One
on,
CT
hold
with
on.
bomb. I mean, with op.
Laying down some
Oh shit, I
fire.
bombed.
Throwing flashbang.
I'm blind CT.
Fire in the hole.
I'm not gonna peek it. He's holding it with an op.
I'm watching Z.
I'll just chill here then.
Going upper.
I'm like kind of watching pop, kind of watching T-Con. They're saving, right?
Yeah, probably. If they full bot this round, they don't want to lose their full buy.
Yeah, Zazo's saving it.
Oh, I
off.
hear you. Never mind.
Fuck you,
I'm
boy.
4 HP, I gotta go.
Nice.
I think I'm actually dead.
Is there any guns on the ground?
I just picked up an M4, but I think I might die with this. I want to go Ivy and pick it up.
Okay, you're good. Oh, I found an AUG. Let's go.
Pick it up.
I didn't see them.
That could've worked when we had it.
So they saved
Nice.
op and they saved probably M4.
Yeah, they saved 2 M4s and 1 up. Just the
Wait,
AUG.
3 lived?
Zazo and Ged?
I thought it was 2.
Yeah. No, there's 3.
Let's move.
No, I killed one.
Oh, good. Alright, just go B, go B.
Okay.
They're gonna have an op push. They're gonna have an op push. Yeah.
Molly pop.
Molotov out.
I killed one
Nice,
pop dog.
nice.
Oh my god, upper. No, oh
Oh.
my god, I'm so bad. I'm so bad.
Was he close upper?
Yeah. Should just be able to run out.
Nice.
He dropped.
Backside, there's two. Flashing out.
Oh,
Oops.
flank.
Behind you. By oil. Last two are on site. Nice try.
What?
Really good try.
Doing, bro.
Yeah, what was he doing?
Reloading, staring at you.
What do you mean, Zazo, guys?
He just had to look at you while he loaded each and every
Yeah.
bullet individually.
Man,
That's called a Zazo peak, my guys.
I've got 16k. Holy shit.
so hard on Zazo, dude.
I can drop.
Shot an entire mag at him and I only hit one bullet.
I can drop an AK.
I could have killed him, though, to be fair.
Oh, I don't need it.
I'm hopping.
Oh, never mind.
We're just gonna slow go Ivy and drop one. So don't do any util. Just walk. Just walk to get up there. Right here.
Someone play anti.
Oh, that's gotta be Gids. Is this a decoy? Maybe not. No, it's definitely a decoy, right?
Could be
No,
close.
no, it's not.
If I go on top of me, can you see over the smoke?
Leave it the.
I'm watching
Okay.
left side.
Oh shit.
Again.
Left side.
They have an op.
I'm gonna smoke left side.
Okay. Yeah, he's there with an op. I'm gonna flash it.
Flash it, yeah.
Careful.
Let's go.
Wait, oh, it's
I gotta burst
smoke
up.
didn't land.
Close, that's right.
Dead,
Nice,
dead,
good
dead.
trade.
They have an op old bomb.
Yep.
They have two ops.
Oh, fucking he peeks me.
One's like bomb train.
I don't think he knows that I'm here. Oh,
He's bomb train.
I threw.
That's alright.
They have 4 people that like to op on that team.
Right. They all have ops. Like Geds, Sid.
We just need early picks then.
Come on, let's go.
Let's like pick this round. Try not to stare yourself. Just wait for aggression.
Wait, what are we? We're lurking?
I'm gonna play picks. Not to make too much noise. Nice pick.
Nice.
Oh, shit.
I'm watching camera. I'm not watching Ivy.
He's on the right.
Molotov out.
He's still there, behind the right box. Yeah, bitch. Nice job.
Okay, one's
One sounds like E-box area.
One's Z.
Easy.
We have a quick rotate to B, but he's
I killed
probably
one. I honestly don't know. I killed an old bomb. Sure.
Walk push Z green.
He's
Deploying
okay. Good trade.
Z dead.
Oh, he was at.
Oh, yeah, he's out. I'm all in.
Cover me while I clear it.
I'll flash out. We'll try to get to short. We both are. Alright, I'm gonna go walkway.
Throwing flashbang.
go for it.
There's another op in Z if he does save. If you wanna grab it.
Look at this combo.
Run.
nice. Good job, guys.
Why would he stay there? He had so much time to like go anywhere else.
Hit the picks again.
Literally just go Ivy, just run away.
Let's try getting that guy. Let's try catching Zazo off.
Oh, like let them use their early util.
Yeah. We're not all about teamwork, dude. Like, you can't be good at the CT side unless you're a good team.
smoked upper ramp.
Yeah,
Yep.
team with phase
One's red train.
Two upper. One more.
Okay.
On the ramp. Go all the way.
I'm gonna go back towards T-Con.
I would walk green.
I'm on escape.
What?
Yeah, it's Coco, dude.
If you
Oh,
want,
that was Coco.
I didn't realize that. I'm the one like I was
if you want to watch, there you go.
I don't want to watch. I'm still playing HNS.
Should be pushed.
Maybe we should go to Ivy. Do we have time?
1 minute.
I'm thinking we go Ivy. And I'll smoke right side. We'll just run through CT.
If anyone was hell, they already know one's Ivy. So that probably is the hell guy.
I'm holding left side.
I'm gonna smoke right, run left.
Throwing smoke.
One CT. Close. Nice, good trade. 20 seconds.
Come on, go right, come on.
Ah.
Really?
One CT.
Oh.
Good shot.
Good try.
That's my bad, man.
No, don't worry,
Okay.
don't worry.
Alright, I can drop one. I can drop Pinocchio.
Alright, thanks.
Green, can you drop that to your right?
Yeah.
Not the bomb, the AK.
Orange.
Thank you. Oh,
Oh.
Across that way.
Wait, here.
oh wait. Ted doesn't have a gun now. Not
Oh.
Ted, Bazaar doesn't have one.
Play for picks. Try not to be aggressive, just wait for them to push. They like being aggressive. Okay. Try not to get picked off by an op. You can drop it somewhere.
Let's push upper.
Oh, they're
Close, he's close.
Ivy, pushed Ivy.
He dropped on ramp, and they have one up.
There's one camera.
He was on the right side.
Yep. I think he retreated back, honestly.
Yeah, one's cam, one's gonna be Z, and probably one back Ivy.
Smoking sandwich.
Throwing smoke.
And one back Ivy, like near hell.
I honestly can't even see what I'm shooting at. My res is too low. Nice.
Nice. Yeah, one Ivy still.
I'm gonna try and wrap around, I guess.
Careful ladder.
Hell.
Z, for
Oh,
sure.
he was
Connector.
fucking there. Are you kidding me?
That's right.
Yeah, he just pushed like Ivy last time.
Just force SMGs, just go out.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like we gotta just rain out A, yeah.
Just, yeah, like they have an op Z that they're just gonna get the first pick and just play passive. So you just need to go out B.
Oh, B? Okay, okay.
Yeah. They always have two being aggressive. So if we just wait, then we can just run at them. You know, walk here, and then go to the left instantly. As soon as you can. Just wait for them to be aggressive.
Flashed upper.
Just watch that.
Peeking.
Oh man, why you? Okay, so he's probably gonna get another pick, but we'll just go. Yeah. He's peeking on the right side.
Oh no.
Oof.
Yes!
That's why you have to go the other side, Boop.
Somebody's gotta peek at some point. He's just gonna hold it.
No, because they always.
It's okay,
They
guys.
always have one being aggressive, so we just wait for that one. Like Wyatt always pushes ramp, so. Just play for picks.
I smoked Ivy.
That's deep.
Oh boy.
Oh my god. How did that taste?
Yeah, push one side.
Delicious. Do we got a plant? Oh no, I picked up here.
It might be able to work. Watching
I'm-
left side. One definitely left side, Nokia.
Left side?
Yeah, left side.
Man, they have one in
I
pop.
saw him cross and get behind that dump.
They have one in pop hiding.
I think there's one close
There's
T-con.
no one
I heard a
there's no one
stab.
dumpster.
I have a 9 health.
One still pop, probably.
I don't think they know that I'm here.
I don't think they do either. Oh, unlucky.
Oh my god.
Hey, who did you hit?
One was default, one was cam.
Zazo.
Yeah, he was in mid. He was cam.
Oh, good try.
Alright, let's do it then, Nokia. Just go out T-con.
I can
Yeah.
smoke back. I can smoke back now.
Just like throw a bunch of flashes, get into Olaf, and E-box as fast as we can.
I'm
Try
gonna
not to
smoke
get
back red,
flatted
so you
by
guys
the
can
guy,
go
Hell.
out.
Alright, hold on.
I can throw a smoke towards that.
Where?
Hell?
Okay. Anyone knows the D smokes, throw it.
Watch for top green. I don't know.
Very disappointed. I don't know train. There's like two maps I don't know. It's train and vertigo.
I think it was train and overpass that we were gonna do.
Yeah.
Those that the choices were.
I would have rather.
I think they chose train because they know I don't like it.
Well, I mean, we did train last night, so I thought, or yesterday, so I didn't know they were gonna do train again.
It's just like, I don't know. It's a pretty technical map.
Yeah, so like whenever you're like in the shower area, anyone that's near Sandwich can hear you.
Hmm.
So like if you look at the radar, dude, like even if like someone's hell, they can hear you running all the way from like dumpster. You have to like be careful where you start sprinting, where you start scoping, because they
Yeah.
can hear that crap from A.
Can you guys rain the flashes? I'm gonna be first out.
Yeah.
I got you.
I'm gonna be throwing my first flash just straight out of T-con.
You've got bomb, by the way.
Okay.
Flashbang out.
Flashbang out. Throwing smokes.
Oh, yeah. I don't have a smoke.
Not worth it. Do not run through that. Yeah, that's not worth it.
One hell.
I just got shot right through this.
Oh, fuck.
Sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
That's awkward.
It's rough.
Yeah, we just need to like push the spot. Alright, let's just try B for the last round, dude.
Okay.
Okay, and here we bloody go.
Push out. He's probably gonna op.
Yeah, I'm gonna just jump straight to the right.
I think he's far back upper.
Oh, he's close. He's close. Move, please. Oh my god.
They know we're here, so.
Yeah, we gotta fall back.
They're gonna have 5 on site.
Throwing a flashbang. Throwing smoke.
Bad smoke. One's on bomb.
There's one under.
One
One's
on bomb.
E-box.
Nice.
Are we committing to this? Alright, careful ladder. Or Green, give me bomb.
Up over the top, up over the top.
Wait, you have bomb! You have bomb! Oh my god, Green! Green?
Am I
Oh,
gonna
shit.
plant? Should I plant here?
Oh, you can plan A. Yeah, go for it.
One's upper with op.
Nice. Okay.
One's upper. Wait, yeah.
Okay, we're A.
Upper with op is 30 HP.
Okay. Z. So blue's got ladder.
He went B. He went B. Or like
It's
he's
planted
gonna
for ladder.
Okay.
I would hold from the bottom of the ladder, Jordan. I wouldn't go. Your teammates are gonna need you.
Okay, I'm just trying to listen. He left. He's gonna go connector.
Yeah.
2Z, 2Z, 2Z.
You need to go.
It's okay. It's okay.
One more on backside.
You can Jordan.
Nice, 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 nice.
Oh wait! What the fuck? What the fuck? Wait.
Oh, wait.
Wait. What am I doing?
I don't know. It's okay.
All I was thinking about is like I'm gonna go grab that up. Oh.
It's okay. Nobody gets that up.
Jordan throwing. Hello.
But they have.
Yeah, that was kind of a throw.
They have 16k, so they're gonna be on the full buy again.
One pushing ladder.
Oh my god. You just almost got wall banged, Green.
Really?
Nice. Yeah, like it was like right behind your back.
Z hit once. Them 4.
There's one Ivy.
Grenade.
Molly Z.
Wait, so the
Good
Ivy
job.
guy? I'm pushing through.
Oh,
I'm
they're
here
going
with
through. They're
you.
going to Ivy. Watch out. I'm planting.
Oh, one CT. Oh shit.
Z.
Z tag. Z.
One CT still.
Ivy last.
Oh, he's peeking. Shot.
Nice.
Good job, guys.
Good shot.
I'm a scooter.
Could I get a drop for the last round? Can I get an AK?
I got you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Alright, poopers, you want the op?
Yoink.
I'm not feeling it right now. My hands are freezing cold.
Oh, good, brother.
Same, bro.
Damn.
It's so hard to play with cold hands.
Bombs dropped.
Grab it.
Whoa, whoa, oh.
They double flash through Ivy.
Try to watch the Ivy swing if you want to go to Olaf.
I will. Fuck, wait, I've got bomb. I've got bomb.
It's all
Oh, he got me from fucking. What's it called?
Wait.
Ladder.
I have 2 on B. I have 2 on B.
Okay.
One
One's hell. One's hell. I
Wait,
fell- I
red
fell
train,
off.
red train.
Hold on, I'm gonna smoke
He has
CT.
no idea that I'm here. He has no idea.
No, he has an AK pop. He can pop. He can pop.
Was that pop? No. Okay, pop's still there.
Pop
Nice.
Dead, pop dead.
CT was. Oh, yeah, CT, CT.
I'm smoking you off. Okay. Well, no.
Oh no. Okay, that's okay.
There goes bad idea.
I'm gonna remolly Z.
Throwing a Molotov.
Play safe. Play safe.
Okay, I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven.
That might be 2 Ivy. There should be an op and there's a CT as well.
I thought I heard one Zed. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Good job, guys.
Let's go. I'm an hour.
Incredible.
Let's go.
Yeah, my FPS is shit on train. I hate this map.
I'm getting 300.
You're getting what?
I'm getting 400, 500, 550, 500.
That's what the fuck. I'm rocking 120.
Nice. We got this, guys. Easy peasy.
Do they push fast? Do they do fast pop?
I think so. Every time I go pop, there's always one there.
Okay.
So I'll try pre-firing him this round.
He didn't make it. One's pushing Z. One's pushing T-Con.
One pushed Ivy.
Okay,
Nice.
is that nice? Oh,
Hopefully, Grain, you have bomb.
That was Ivy.
I know.
He pushed all the way through.
he pushed all the way through.
I don't know if he's still there. He might have
oh, wait.
fallen back.
Wait a
but he-
I
minute.
have one
but
going Z. I have one Z with an op right now.
Okay,
Just be
Should we
careful.
rotate B? Should we move around?
Hit
Fuck
one,
with him a
over.
little?
One's old bomb.
Throwing a
One Z. What's top?
Yeah, connector.
I got your IVP.
Nice, thank you.
One pop.
There's still one Z, and there's one back bomb.
Nice.
Nice. Old bomb still.
Bomb train.
Bomb train dead. Nice.
Nice, good work.
Z. What up? Why you? Oh no, you didn't have bomb. Sorry. You did.
I'm gonna maul
That's good.
Nice, dude.
We ran out.
Does that do
Nice, guys. Really nice.
Damn. Nice, good job,
Nice,
guys.
good round, guys. We just need one more, and then we'll just destroy him on CT. I'll try playing aggressively. I'll try getting this pick.
I want your upper peak, okay, Glenn?
No, I'm not gonna peek it. I'm just going to the left.
I still want that.
One's push T-con. They know we're in showers right now. We're making so much noise. One's ramp with an off.
I got your upper peak.
Okay. One's gonna be ramp. I'm gonna try pre-firing him.
Nice. I'm gonna smoke floor. Nice.
I killed
Blue.
one trying to push T-con.
I'm on site.
I'm flashing. Jumping on the side.
I'm planting. I'm gonna. Oh,
Hey,
wait.
bomb. I'm planning. I'm gonna flash.
2Z,
One's
Okay.
back.
If you guys can just hide, I'm flanking Z right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
One's probably gonna be oil. One's probably gonna go oil.
Surely they don't expect this.
They don't.
Oh,
One's
okay.
oil.
Yeah, last one at oil. Nice.
Good job, guys.
Let's go.
There should be an up top train. Yeah, right there.
Buy one. It's last round.
Fuck! I knew
Buy one,
that.
last
It's
round.
all we can.
I can drop one. I can drop
No,
one.
it's last
Oh,
round.
actually, you're fine. You're fine.
It's last
Okay.
round.
That was stupid. I shouldn't have climbed up on that train.
I'm gonna wait for this. I'm gonna try pre-firing Zazo again.
Nice, Pat.
Nice.
Dead.
Nice glim.
Nice.
They're on pistols.
Throwing smoke.
They're on
Oh
pistols.
shit.
Oh, one's
Wait.
oh, nice.
Dead.
It's
Oh,
because they bought so many ops, I think.
Oh,
Last one's Z.
Yeah.
Down here.
He's
Where
still
is
in the
he?
fire, but
Laying down some fire.
I'm gonna double flash Z.
Flashbang out. Flashbang.
sorry. I just fucked. No, wait. He's old
He's
bomb.
gotta be CT. Yeah. He's here CT.
Good half, guys.
Let's do this, guys. Let's go. Man, this comeback is insane.
Yeah, really.
15 to 12, dude. And then now we're 18, 15.
And like at the very beginning, we were down quite a lot too.
Yeah, I know. It was like 6-5-0.
That's
nuts.
one, boys.
Yep. They need 4. Maybe 3.
Well, they need 3 to 4 seconds.
Yeah.
Go, go, go.
Never been into second OT.
I had a face game that went into like 4 OTs the other day.
Just stay default. 3 ATB.
Flashbang.
Throwing incendiary.
Smoking.
So blind right now. I'm smoking pop.
Deploying smoke shield.
Nice pop.
Watch my heaven.
Throwing smoke.
T-con 1. Ah!
Like, they could be Ivy now, yeah.
I smoked it off for the time being, but there could be one.
I'm gonna go through CT and check it out.
Oh,
They're green, let me know if you
pop.
Okay. Okay, I'm coming, Z.
You're alone.
One up.
Hey, hold on.
One's doing sandwich.
One T-con. One box.
Good try.
All good. It's all good, man. It's all good.
It's all good, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna op here. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna go peek upper as soon as I can.
Do we double up here and just go for it?
Yeah. Actually, whoever's going B, can you flash through the ramp whenever I call it?
We gotta buy here anyways.
Yeah. Don't throw it yet. I'll tell you when.
Okay.
Oh fuck, one's okay, opping
Now.
T-con.
Throwing flashbang.
I threw it.
Smoke.
Oh man, he's waiting for it. One jump down on showers.
Throwing fire.
They could go
Wow.
out. They could go
I
out.
think they're coming B.
He needs help on B.
He's blocking
Okay, I'm
his.
going. I'm going.
I can't. I don't see heaven right now.
I'm gonna go upper.
Yeah, they're out. They're out. They're out.
They can be upper. They got to be
Upper.
Upper smoked.
Yeah. You drop down.
Oh, he's still up. Mid.
Wait, he's
Bomb train. Behind us.
You have kids. You got this. Just go for it. Just go for it. Upper. Someone watch upper.
he's in connector.
Oh no!
Get back!
Oh. I can't believe that. You were so fucking
It was
close.
like 0.1. Fucking 0.1.
I don't know if I can play another OT.
Can you give me a scout green?
No,
I
it's
gotta
fine.
go soon.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm moving.
Alright,
Who? Who am I in?
Drinks after this one.
whenever you have to go, we'll just call it game then.
Okay, we're gonna win this round right here.
Olaf.
E-box.
Okay. Sandwich. Yeah, sandwich.
They're going on top, I think.
On top of green.
Can you boost me your green?
Yeah, let me.
E-box. Left wall. I don't know what it's called. Near pop.
Okay.
One mid side.
I win.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Thank you.
One's still pop with an up. And one's
Close one.
next to site.
Left side. Red one right next to red, one close left. Jordan.
Nice. Last one E-box. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's fucking go, guys.
Good job,
Good
guys.
job.
Really good job.
Jeez.
You're an entry. Alright, guys, I gotta go. Good game.
See ya.